I've got mosquito repellent all over my body, but I couldn't get to my back. Where do you think I got bitten? I can't get over this. Epic. Perfect. Hello again. You know what this means. Another travel vlog coming up, but this time it's somewhere I've actually never traveled to, so I'm so excited. It's to Kenya, Africa. Like, OMG. I cannot get over this place. Wow. Guys, I can't get over this room. Look at the bathroom. Oh my god, it goes into the bedroom as well. I have to show you the bedroom. Oh my god. Look at this. I'm speechless. Wow, wow, wow. I'm gonna be sitting here reading books. Oh my god. This is insane. So they have like several pools and then the beach to the left as well. I can't get over this. By the way, I'm that weirdo that comes, unpacks, irons, organizes. So I've got like some of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing for the wedding functions as well. Roshni was so lovely. She invited me. I mean, usually all my brides invite me, but I just never tend to attend. I just kind of work and then go home. But in this case, I am staying out here. So I thought, well, why not? Then, as you guys know, I always wear black to work. I find it looks professional, but also when the makeup gets on my clothes, it doesn't bother me because it's black. And then some of the dresses to wear throughout the day and stuff, and some jewelry and bags, and then some really, like, yeah, a variety of shoes. This is insane. I'm just chilling, about to read a book. Oh gosh, it's getting very foggy. Going to go for a swim as well. I'm in heaven, I swear. Like, look at this. Freaking hell. Hello. Can you, like, I don't know if you can tell, but like I feel like I look really tanned already. Like, yeah, so showered, I mean, went swimming, and then did 10 laps, so trying to do some cardio because I already can predict that I'm gonna eat like a pig here. And just went to my bride's room, so I've got like a few things, her dupatta to set. So Roshni is actually a North Indian bride, so there's no sari or kura change or anything involved. It's the dupatta setting. So yeah, I mean, I have done it in the past. I don't think I've done enough of them. So I basically, sorry, I've got like a lot of baby hair. My skin's like awful because ever since, obviously I've been traveling a lot recently as well. So then I've got a lot of, this is actually so much better. Like I had really bad eczema all over my lips the last few days. Still need to exfoliate my skin. It's like really, anyway, that's not so irrelevant. Anyway, yeah, so what I've been doing is watching a lot of YouTube videos of like how to set the dupatta the perfect way. So I found ways to get little, you know, those hair extension clips that you get. So I'm going to sew that in. So I bought like loads of matching thread. So this is her dupatta. So I'm going to, I just went and measured it on her head. So I'm going to stitch in two, and then so that it's ready, and then you can just like literally clip it in and it just stays. So it's awesome. I'm sure maybe a lot of you already knew that. I didn't, so I learned that. And also, yeah, like all the events are going to be later on in the day, so it's really nice because they're more evening events, so I can just kind of like have a nice lie-in. There is no 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock wake-ups, and I'm determined to try and swim every single day if I can. And then yeah, like I'm really excited. Like this room is insane, honestly. Like I was FaceTiming my husband and I'm just like, you should have come, like you should have come. He's just got work and he couldn't take the time off, but like we just went to Kerala as well on holiday together. So it feels strange to be in such a beautiful room, in such a beautiful resort just by myself. But yeah, started reading a good book. So anyway, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna go get some dinner. So I've got mosquito repellent all over my body, but I couldn't get to my back. Where do you think I got bitten? Super proud of myself. Don't judge how it's not neat, but the most important thing is you can't see any of the threads on the other side, because I made sure I did it on the inside, if that makes sense. So then when this sits on top of her head, there's like no flaws and there's no thread or anything like that. So just to show you, these are those little clips, and then I've got some thread, needle. I purposely packed a lot of the colors that she's going to be wearing, just in case. So yeah, I probably look a state. Ignore me, I slept 13 hours straight, so but yeah, just sitting outside here on my veranda, drinking a lot of coffee. I'm trying to think if I should, I mean, so this whole thing comes full board, so you get breakfast, lunch and dinner, and I'm just like, should I just like skip breakfast and then just have lunch and dinner and spend the morning going for a swim? Or I don't know, because I feel like yeah, you'll end up eating like way too much. Well, I would. Oh, not the bride. Okay, the bride that said hello. It's Pooja, who's her cousin, who's doing her mehendi. And here we have Roshni. How are you feeling?
I'm alright. Being forced to relax.
I can't wait for how you're gonna look like later. So I've set up in this corner here. She's got a beautiful room. So I'll be getting her ready in this room for all the other events. Ta-da! No, I'm not. I'm from London. Somebody else said that to me today. Yeah. They're like, I've seen you before. And I'm like, nope. Do a little twirl so I can see the back of your hair as well. Yay! So we have Curtis here who's doing the video, hi. And then we have Jess and Corey who are doing the pictures today. Awesome. Good morning, guys. I've tanned so nicely, I think anyway. Just going to my bride's room, second day. This is a bit more of a chill thing. It's called Pithi and Mandvo, I think. So I'm just gonna do her hair and makeup like really simply for this, but then later on tonight is going to be her sangeet, and I'm really excited to get her ready for that because it's like super glam. She wants like the whole vintage waves. I'm walking around with a straightener because I've left my kit in her room. It's easier because it's like 3 flights of stairs, even though I probably need the exercise because I feel like udipuna, like, you know, pusnika basically. Yeah, hot weather always does this to me. So I think she's ready. We were supposed to do something super simple, but I ended up doing something a little bit glam, but she looks gorgeous. Let's see the hair. Ooh, very pretty. I love this outfit. And then a little bit of a close-up of your makeup, so if you can look down. So see, we kept it quite natural and fresh. Okay, yay. I don't know why I was thinking about wearing black. It's super hot. And yes, I did say that I was just gonna do powder and mascara. I just couldn't, man. I just couldn't. I have to do full glam. I just can't otherwise. So yeah, we had the time to do it, so I did it. So this has been me. Every chance I get, I've literally been just coming by the pool. I mean, like seriously. I think it's the first day that I showered. Showered? Sorry, I meant swim. I do shower every day. I went swimming, and the idea was to swim every single day, and that would be my exercise. I didn't bring my gym clothes purposely because I thought I was going to swim every day. Then I just didn't think about my hair, because obviously I would have to blow dry it, or do I leave it curly? It's so like humid, and so I just, yeah. So I was just like, doesn't matter. I'll just sit by the beach, I mean by the pool. Sorry, I can't talk. And read a book. I've just been reading this thriller that I actually started 2 days ago, doing really well. I'm enjoying it. It's actually really, really good. It's called The Silent Woman by Minka Tent. It's the first ever book I've read from Minka Kent, and I must admit I really like the way she writes. So it's really good so far. Trying to be watchful of my little basket that I got as like a hamper gift from the bride, because there's a lot of monkeys here and I don't want them to steal my book. Her family and friends are amazing. Like, they've been so sweet. I felt so welcome. I've literally felt like I'm part of the wedding gang. It's been really, really nice. They're already setting up for the sangeet. Yeah, 1 hour in, I'm like sweaty and whatnot. I just wanted to mention this, okay? So I've been drinking this drink called dawa. This is the first time they've used it's a paper straw, just for anybody, but it normally doesn't really have a straw, but it's a tall glass, but it's called dawa, okay? Dawa, whatever it is. It's basically made with soda, like just sparkling water basically, with honey, brown sugar, lime and ginger, and it's like a Kenyan traditional drink, and in Swahili dawa actually means medicine, so it's, oh my god, I've been obsessed with it. It's got no alcohol in it, and I've just been drinking it non-stop, and every time I drink it, it just like cools my system. Oh my god, it basically tastes like a non-alcoholic mojito. So yeah, if you ever travel to Kenya, you have to drink this drink. It's like, oh my god. They gave it to us as a welcome drink when we got to the hotel, and ever since then, that's all I've been drinking. I don't drink when I'm working anyway. Ta-da! My bride's reception ready! Yes, please! Wow. Okay, let's do the makeup. Very nice. I like that all the looks are different so far. I can't wait for the wedding look tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's day 4 and it's the final day, and I'm going to get her ready for her Hindu wedding shortly. And so I just spent like the morning having breakfast, and then I just sat by the pool, read a bit, and then now I'm getting myself ready, because once I get ready I'll be attending the wedding as well. Hi guys! I know, I feel like I haven't looked presentable in a little while. Well, you are at a resort, so obviously you're going to be makeup free and you're going to walk around tanning and sunbathing. But I did my hair and makeup already for the wedding function, because by the time I get Roshni ready, I won't, sorry, it's steaming up, it's just really humid here. Oh, I'm going in the wrong direction. Yeah, by the time I basically get her ready, it won't make sense. So yeah, like I won't have the time, and I don't want to miss her entrance, so I just thought I'll do my hair and makeup. Now I'm gonna get Roshni ready, and then yeah, and then attend the wedding. I'm really excited, but at the same time I'm sad that this is the last look, and this is like the last time that I'm gonna spend with Roshni. We've just had so much fun, and she's loved all the looks. The amount of her family members who came up to me and kept saying, she looks amazing, she looks amazing, she looks amazing, just makes you feel so good, and you're just like, okay, I'm glad, you know. Anyway, going up to her room now. 3 flights of stairs coming up. All set up. This has been my makeup corner. Hi! It's the last day. How do you feel?
Excited.
Thank you so much. This has been amazing. I just can't wait to get you ready for this and then show you guys all what she's gonna look like.
No, thank you so much for agreeing to this.
Oh, don't be silly.
Amazing.
Oh. This was her idea. She wanted me to record this because she loved my reactions, guys. That's right.
What about the content?
Very nice. Epic. Perfect. Can you sit down? Sorry, can I just make this This is it. last look, last day. I just went to the wedding and it was beautiful, honestly. By like, you had like the view of the sea, and it's just breathtaking actually. So yeah, can't believe it. It's like the end of my trip, well, end of my job on the flight. Apparently you can see Mount Kilimanjaro on this flight. Knowing me though, I'll probably be fast asleep, so just on the off chance I might be able to record it. If not, just know that we're going to be, I mean it's really far away, but it's just you can see the tip of Kilimanjaro, which I think is so cool.